Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial showing you how to use automatic transcription within pencil spaces. So to get started, just click the chat button at the top left corner of your space below the view boards button. And then from here, you'll see a few options. So within the chat bar, you'll see a transcript button, a chat button, and your private messages with everyone that's invited to a space. So I'm going to go ahead and click transcript, and keep in mind that transcript is opt-in only. So your video calls will not be transcripted unless transcription is enabled. Just a quick note, keep in mind that this auto transcription is enabled by artificial intelligence, and machine transcriptions are not always perfect. So for the best experience, be in a quiet place and use headphones for the best quality. So I'm going to go ahead and toggle this on to enable automatic transcription. And now it'll say that it's on, and there will be this live indicator here. There's also a notification that says the call is being transcribed. So now you can see that my words are being written down here.
So everything that we say in our space gets recorded, and you can see exactly who said each part.
You could also see a timestamp for when someone says anything specific. And even when this is closed, everything I say in the call gets recorded. So I can reopen my chat, go into transcription, and see anything else that was added here. I also have the option to turn off transcription, which will disable transcription and prevent anything else from being recorded. That is it for today's tutorial showing you how to use auto transcription in pencil spaces. If you have any questions while you're in a space, just click the help button at the top right corner, and you can send us a message for 24/7 chat support. You could also search for different help articles or browse videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.